Hi, good evening, friends. How are you? Today is my third day video. I am creating the solo video. So today's thinking and discussing the topic of which one important first for learning a spoken English. Means first one is grammar tenses and second one is fluent. So you have also comment me, suggest me, motivate me, and also give suggestions through chat which one is important. But I saw so many podcast video, and also I realize means in a school days, college days, so so many practices for grammar, tenses, but that they not realize, and also as of now, fluent is not there. Means also I have to stuck somewhere, and my fluence is also getting slow, and also this is not a right way. But you can saw my first video, second video, this is my third video. So I can realize this. So practice makes successful, and also every day you have to speak, realize, thinking, so you can improve. So also I this one consultancy is always time as telling. Consultancy means also you have to practice daily basis, mean day by day. It is not any single day you have to anyone is anyone in life kind mean also uh, should tell me means one day you can spoke and you can speak, then after that influent is there nothing. You have to improve ourselves so you can speak daily basis, and you have uh, nowadays I know my English is worse, and I not doing well means, but I have daily practices, so realizing means I am improving. So doesn't matter who thought for you what is the what is the thinking, and doesn't matter. You can do oneself, and you can do our work. Nothing is care for you. Nothing one also care for you. If you are only one person, so you can improve oneself. So I realizing, and first of tell means fluent in two word means which one is important for learning a spoken English. So my suggestion, fluent is most important because you have fluent is there, means you have uh, speak, and always time you not stucking, so you can improving. And also grammatical mistake is also important, but after that, because you have been fluent is there, so you can resolve and correct it after some time. First you have learned the grammar translation, so after that you have demotivate, and you have also forget that what the things what means, also you can improve, you have to improving ourselves. So Also, you can speak daily basis means uh, this one wrong sentences you can speak nothing problem because you have that at a day you have you getting a influence. So after that realizing means I am doing mistakes in sentences, I am doing mistakes in grammatical mistake. So that time you can change it. So because you getting a influence. So my suggestion, uh, all of my friends so motivate me and also talk with me means this my thinking power is how is it. And also you will motivate me because nowadays I am greedy for ambition, always time as telling because means I for before 10 years before also I greedy for ambitions means learning a spoken English. That time not realizing, and also I that time also joined a spoken English classes daily basis, and also this one grammatical grammar and learn all the things. But nowadays you can check this is my means how I am speaking means if I know all the things means grammar all the grammar and translation all the books I finished it. So uh, that day I not realizing, and me this is my the this is my fault because that day I never realized means also not daily practices, and also that day means not greedy and not consistency. So that's happened. I nowadays I am not speaking fluently, and I have so many problem facing. Nowadays I am living in Bangalore, so I am going for classes and again going for malls. So that they so many in front of girls, boys, and fluent. Fluent is telling that time I not this one responding properly. So I am realized this is not good habit for me because I am a software engineer and also not speaking English. So this is the very fault for me because software engineer has also means importance and software engineer has also quality is there. This always time learning new skills and always time learning and fluent English. So this I this one I nowadays this one I am a software engineer, but this is my fault for me because nowadays I am not speaking fluently, and also nowadays improving myself and realizing this is not good habit. I my daily practices for the spoken English and creating the solo video and uploading on YouTube platform because YouTube is the most important and very much platform. So watching all the persons and suggesting and some this one grammatical mistakes, so also correcting and informing and interacting with, so that they means now I am practicing and creating a solo video, but some after days. I I have to talk so many this one my English spoken coach, and also this one teachers. So I spoke speak him, and I realized that time this one podcast creating the video. So that time also I correct and improve myself, because no one realizing for me. I have so many problems facing. So that day this one in my heart is very getting down, and also I am realizing is this is not good for me. I always time this one practicing for a spoken English, and one day I learn all the things and fluent happened for me. So thanks all of my friends motivate me, because you are a most important person, so you can motivate me, and I am one day I am a fluency is there in my own myself. So nowadays I am not. I know I'm also realizing means not doing well, means not speaking correctly. But you have suggest me, and also you can speak with me. So also you can improve me. So I am improving. Thanks all of my friends for and also I uploaded that video in YouTube, so you can also like me, subscribe me, because you liking subscribing means also number of people's also watching my video, and also uh, nowadays who is not speaking in English, so also that person also motivate with me. So also he is also doing and practicing that type of platform, YouTube platform. So thanks all of my friends, and I am stop my conversation, and also thanks all of my beloved friends. Thanks.